about to eat what?
Put a nacho.
Oh. Cause I want some too.
Everybody gonna have to get a scoop.
A scoop it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I just look like I want nacho.
She always wants something somebody got.
No, I was gonna grab it, but instead
You want this, bro?
No. I want the pink ball.
Nah, she's like, I want this. I want the same thing my mama and my dad got.
That's what I said. I'm coming myself up. We said they taking hot dogs.
Okay. Yeah.
No.
But I still wouldn't make my sandwich.
I know, but you still. I'm gonna bring some of the juices.
What juice?
You know, I said that.
Oh.
I'm gonna bring enough for. Yeah, I'm bringing enough for
I
everybody.
want chocolate milk.
No.
You want chocolate
milk?
Hey, if she wants some chocolate milk, she can have some chocolate milk. How do I breathe? By my side. How do I breathe? How do I breathe? How do I breathe? One, two, three.
You go.
Ah!
Hey!
What you looking at?
What?
What you looking at? Uh-huh.
What?
What you looking at?
What?
What you looking at?
What? Yeah.
Why you scared?
You see it downstairs?
Huh?
Did you see it downstairs?
You want to exercise?
One scoop.
This is 170 pounds! Man, your knees!
My knees.
Ain't gonna get out. Man! Okay, I'm sliding. Okay. I'm sliding. What the heck? That was a roller coaster.
I know. What you again? Well, it's like, no! Whew.
You got to work out for that.
Hell yeah. I'm super tired.
Dad, you didn't even drink your pop. Yeah.
That mine in the door.
Oh,
Baby, you want some? Right now?
this used to be the best ones.
That's yours. Okay.
Oh, y'all bought me one?
Yeah.
Oh!
Off the bridge card.
Bought the Bridge card.
You say you never get that from the bridge card. This enough chips. We want a little nacho. Everybody get a little nacho.
Yeah.
You want
Man, you know I was recording this.
Oh my God. Y'all saw him pick me up that crazy? Look at me, huh? I'm tired out of breath.
Mom, hear it.
Oh, I can do that.
Switch it around just like this.
And it's twist on.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Oh, I like that.
It came off the ring light. The ring light broke, so I used the other part. What you doing today, though?
I'm taking the sandwich to the beach. Huh?
What you doing today?
I was going to the beach for Cam's birthday.
Like this food?
Yeah. We're on the beach for Cam's birthday. We'll be have to eat some lunch / brunch right now. And then we're going to pack up and head on out. We're going to be black people time.
Oh, yeah. So,
Our brunch.
yeah, we about to eat lunch before we go to the pool. I mean, to the beach.
Yeah, it's 1 hour before you get in the beach. Before you,
You really believe in that?
no.
So why you about to eat 30 minutes early?
Because I'm hungry. I ain't had breakfast.
So you believe in it?
So I'll see y'all. And then when we get to the beach.
She about to look who she about to watch. Who you about to watch?
Beans.
It's like watching our kids grow up.
Hold on. This might be.
Oh, this look. She stayed watching what, you love this or no?
Yeah, they my everyday news.
Everyday news. All right, y'all. We about to watch this video. We'll be back. Come here. Come here. Look at her. She really thinks she can swim. This is Baywatch? Damn, you alright? You alright? BB, you swim? You know how to swim? You know how to swim too? What y'all out here doing?
Swimming.
Y'all being bad out here? Oh. You having fun?
My hair wet.
I know your hair wet. It's okay. You in the pool. You in the water. You said you having fun?
Uh-huh.
Mama said stay from up there. I mean, Mama said don't go too far. Yeah. Yeah, I was telling you. Bree said don't go that far either. So that's good right there. That's... What y'all mean, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Y'all can't drown. Look, see, that's real good. All right, a little bit more. Right there, fine. Naya always want to be somebody's mama. Talking about right here. She want to go all over father. What y'all doing? Chase, what you doing?
What is that?
The camera. This YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
Say what up, YouTube.
What up, YouTube?
What you about to make?
A sandcastle.
A sandcastle.
Yeah.
I want to see how it gonna come out.
Okay.
Damani, Vaya.
You seen that hill? You see
What?
that stick view right there?
Oh my fucking God! Tay got us fucking lost out here. Look at this. Great job, Tay.
Yep. Go me.
Ah, Liz, we lost. We supposed to be at the park with the kids.
Fuck them kids.
What? This nigga said. I ain't say it. Tay said it. I love my kid.
We 4 minutes away driving. We here. Nigga, that's driving.
Yeah, that's driving. Put it in and walking.
An hour.
Put it in there while we walking. This nigga Tay.
18 minutes.
18-minute walk back?
18-minute walk. Nigga, we been walking for 30. Y'all niggas, what y'all bitching about?
We ain't bitching.
All right then, shut the fuck up.
But you got us lost. Oh shit. Look y'all. This is nigga. Y'all wanna go back that way then? Fuck it. My nigga Tay.
Hey, that's for real. Mike, take us there. No.
Hell no, bro. That shit ain't.
This road gonna take us there, goddammit. Nah, I know this road, bro.
Dog.
Cause it's the road we drove down
Son,
here.
we didn't get out. Son, we didn't get out. Straight face, look at get her.
The tunnel.
Yeah, son.
Look at that bird flying. It's poetry in motion.
Whew. Hey. Fuck you back there, dog.
Bro,
This nigga.
now I feel like shit crawling in my hair since them ants.
Oh, that big ass anthill back there. You alright? You got fleas? Oh, shit.
Said you got fleas? Maybe.
This nigga said maybe.
Walking in all that shit.
Uh,
Cool and all, but damn.
When we see a car, we gonna stick our finger up.
I'm not. Y'all niggas dangerous.
I'm trying to get back.
Nigga, we're gonna get that.
Oh,
you talking about? We're walking now.
No, hell.
Beautiful, beautiful. My bad. This nigga.
Fucked up your picture.
Nah, I'm gonna use one of these stills as a picture. As my new profile. My boy.
New profile picture coming soon. Hold on, I got you. Bitch!
It's a Go, 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 go. Oh, oh, oh. You want to make a video? Let's come out here and throw eggs.
No.
You scared, son. Oh, wait, it's another one. Oh! Oh! Yeah, I told you, son. This was like, get out, bro.
You was on the road, Hey, they was big and flying.
Dog. They look like Scooby-Doo.
Her arms was jiggling out the window.
Oh.
Like a flying squirrel.
Man, that bitch was just
Nigga,
scared.
dog.
That bitch, her arm was doing a whip the nay-nay. Just letting that bitch flather out the window.
I was like, let me.
They almost hit that nigga with the car and almost slapped him with that arm back.
Man. We saw this big ass anthill.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, that bitch was big as hell. This nigga Sean,
Ant hill.
gonna say that's where all the ants in the world come from.
Ooh.
I'm gonna show you the video. But the kid's still at the park. I mean, in the water.
Yeah. It's hot and I'm feeling good.
You feeling good? I bet you is. You got the beach. You got some wine. We out in the.
Trying to do.
You trying to do what?
Yes, sir. Just man.
Come on.
No, the dog.
Go put Bruno over there. And then Bruno
No.
over there. Come on. Let's go over there. Let's go over here.
Wait, hell no.
Come on.
People in here.
Let's go. Come on. All right.
Dang, the dog.
You want to do it in here?
Oh, in there.
In there?
But too many people.
Come on. Let's go over here.